This call is now being recorded.
Okay, Shiv, first explain what you have discussed the last turn.
Sir, in last meeting we have discussed what it was the prior meeting of the first prior meeting about the group, and there was a simple introduction about what we are going to do, how we will proceed, and what will be our whole work and what will be our basic motto of the project. And further to the first meeting, now we are on the second meeting now, and we have decided to come up with a time schedule in this meeting. And
Okay,
in so we have framed a time schedule for how our whole project will go on. We have framed it and we will now share it in the group. Secondly, sir, we have been working on the introduction part of our SRS, which we are working on it right now, and there are some issues which we have encountered which we will discuss during this session.
okay, sir. Please go ahead.
Sir, I have sent a uh, 1 minute, sir.
If you are able to share the screen, it's okay. Otherwise, you can send me on WhatsApp. I will share.
Yes, sir, I am sending it.
Try to see that. I think you can also share from your system. Are you
Sir,
using lap?
I'm on mobile currently.
Okay. It's okay. Just send me.
Sir, yes, sir, I have sent to you.
Okay, one moment. Now, is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, Jesse. Do one thing. Do not use sir or ma'am whenever creating any document. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So you can give the designation here. So just write the, if you want to use the Dr. Upendra, it's okay. Or you can use the Mr. Upendra with designation, associate professor, this. And same for the team member, है ना? Shivam Kumar, uh, जो भी आप,
Salutation, Mr. or Mrs.
yes,
Yes, sir.
yes, CSE department, fourth year student. So, okay, please go ahead. So, okay, you have created a started good. So, it purpose, document, intended, scope, preferences, working, writing work of task, overall description, external interface. Okay, okay, good. So I think all content is covering your synopsis and SRS.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So,
We,
so please define the username in front of the status, and based on the username, we can communicate to that particular user for that particular task. So it should be equally divided to everyone.
okay, sir.
Okay, so I think today is 12th October, so you have completed the task of purpose, document convention, audience and reading suggestion, product scope and references. So please
Sir,
explain a little bit. Yes,
sir, can you please share the screen because you have removed it?
I'm removed it. Sorry, one moment. Now,
Yes, sir, visible.
okay, please go ahead.
Sir, in first task, as we are saying that from 4th October to it will be 11th October. In this time, we will be doing research on our task one, that is introduction part. Here, there is purpose, document conventions, and intended audience, product scope, and references. we have currently done this purpose, that what is the purpose of our project. We have figured it out, and we have also done the introduction part. We will mark it as true, and the references which we are now figuring out what are the references, and uh, which are the stakeholders which we need to mention. So we are currently on this first task. Then there will be the writing task from 12 to 18 October.
Okay, okay. So let us divide the task right now. So all of done purpose and purpose had done by whom?
Sir, we have collectively done it.
Okay, so it is done by all.
Yes, sir.
Document convention.
Document convention, sir, we need to do this. But we will all, yes, sir. The first task will be done by all of us collectively.
Okay, okay. What is required in document convention? Do you have any reference for that?
So about this, we were about to ask you in this session.
Okay, because I think it is provided by the committee, no?
Yes, sir.
So, what is the meaning of that? We should have a clear understanding from them. Let
Yes,
me,
sir. That's why we waited for it.
from the Google, it shows. Let me share this tab. Okay. So, if I'm searching about the document convention, it shows when you read this manual, certain words are written in different font. Okay, 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 okay. You have to define which font and format you are using. So it is an optional part. It does not
Okay, sir.
required in the references because that's
Okay,
why
sir.
I don't think
Yes, sir.
so
Sir.
that yes, sir.
Yes, sir. It means this is how we will add some comments, or what will be our font size for different headings or like that.
But it's a again I don't think so that it is a required part. Okay,
Okay, sir.
what about the intended RDS regarding suggestion?
Sir, our intended audience is generally the students who are in
Students.
uh,
Okay, let
students and
just speak. Shivam, let
Sir,
yes.
basically it is for educational purpose. Means higher number of students will be benefited by this, because our main task is to means convert the PDFs or build the PDFs or documents. So our main target is students or as for educational purposes.
Okay, so we have a primarily for the student purpose. Okay, so you are developing. What is the topic name? Or you see
The text scanner.
text
document processor, sir.
document scanner,
Document processor.
document processor. No?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so definitely document processor is for the student purpose. That's okay. So it is also already also done by everyone. No? Okay.
Yes, sir.
What is the scope of the project product?
सर स्कोप सर स्टूडेंट्स यूज कर सकते हैं सर, ऑफिस ऑफिस पर्पज से भी यूज किया जा सकता है। कोई भी टेक्स्ट
Okay.
डॉक्यूमेंट अगर इलेक्ट्रीफाइड इलेक्ट्रिकली स्टोर करना हो तो फिर सर
Okay, Aman.
दिस इंक्लूड होंगे।
Okay. So Aman, I will assign to you. Please write down the content of, if you already written, please finalize the content, and product scope should not be more than half an page. Okay, so
ओके सर।
around 400 to 500 words is, I think, sufficient. References, just try collect each and every data. So we'll follow the strict plagiarism policy, and if you are using the referred content, they will provide the reference to everywhere. where it is required. Okay, so just create a reference file, and please collect all the references material. And let me give you one example. Do you know how to use the reference manager?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
No, sir.
Okay, okay. Let me explain to you. I think it will be beneficial for you. One moment. Yes. Is it visible? Mendeley desktop.
Yes, sir.
Okay, is it visible? Okay, you can go to the Google and search on the Mendeley Reference Manager. Let me open that one also. Let me share the whole screen. Wait a minute. Okay, now the whole screen is visible.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you can go to the Google, type the Mendeley Reference Manager, and when you will type the Mendeley Reference Manager, you will get download link, so you can download the software here. I have already logged in, so you will require a login information. You can log in also. When you logged in, and as well as you can download the software. So what is happening when I will download the software, it will look like this. So you will get a desktop icon of it. When I open that, it will require a username password, and particular software will be opened. So how can we use that? So I have created various folder here. Let me create another folder for you. Oh, okay. So you can create a folder here. Let us create a Shivam. Okay. So this is my folder. Now suppose I have a one document. Suppose I have this research paper. Okay. So I will drop the research paper or research article or any document here. So what the Mendeley will do, Mendeley will automatically extract the author, title, and everything. Okay. And you can get
Okay,
the
sir.
information about the document. Second important thing is that when you open this document, so you can use this to read the document. Suppose I am reading the machine learning algorithm. It is an important one. So I can highlight it. And suppose I want to define objective, or I want to add some text here. So I can text here. So this is my text. Okay. So this is a one important thing. Another thing, how can we use this reference manager? So suppose I have writing this paper. So these are the different papers I have used and the link and so on. Okay. And
Okay, sir.
okay, so when I been trying to write our thesis or paper, trying to give the reference. So what can I do? Well, I will use my Word. If you are using the Ubuntu Linux, there will be different way to use that. So when you open the Word, before that, go to the Mendeley and go to the tool, and you will install here. Suppose you are seeing here uninstall MS Word plugin. Okay. So first thing you will see that install the MS Word plugin if you are using the Windows. If you are using the Ubuntu Linux, you will see the option of install the LibreOffice. Okay, so just install that software. It will automatically install inside your Word, and you will get this tab. You can see this tab where I'm seeing the insert citation, insert bibliography, and so on. So let me clear the use of it. Suppose I am writing the intendance. Let me check this. If there is a spelling mistake, please notify me. So suppose I'm
Okay, sir.
writing an intendance identity here, and uh, this represents our audience.
Hour, sir.
Yeah, so sure. So suppose I want to put that I have taken this referred content from any document. So what can I do? I can go to insert citation, then go to Mendeley, and suppose whatever the document you have, suppose I'm having this document. So you will automatically see this option. inverted code. Okay, so send citation to plugin. As I will do that, it will automatically create a citation. Suppose I have written another document. This is our project, and I want to add another citation here. So not only you can add the paper, you can also add the website, web pages, or another thing. Suppose I am adding this citation. Okay. Now, when you have completed your all the thesis writing of 60 pages or 70 pages, okay, at last you have to add the references. So you do not need to go through each and every paper, try to find out their information, their author name, and their link URL or everything. You just go here and wherever you want to add references. Okay, one moment. Let me correct this. Where you want to insert the references, just go there and click on insert bibliography. So you can see that it is automatically inserting all the required information automatically. Okay. So guys, I will suggest you that you should follow all these things, and whatever the content you are writing, one of the user, because you can also use the collaboration on Mendeley. So what can you do? You can download the software on each or every computer, and from that place you can do the editing and so on. Just always remember that after every editing, just try to sync it. So what the sync will do, when I will go to my library on online, uh, I actually it's a depends on the internet bandwidth, but your offline Mendeley is perfectly fine without internet. So when you open your library, you will see the same structure of folders, and the same file will be available to you. So you can also insert the citation using the online also. Okay, so but
Okay.
it's a quite difficult, and you can also read your all the articles, things and so on your mobile also. So there is also Mendeley available for Android OS. So I will suggest you, whatever the document you are writing, just follow this one. So when you are completing your project and you are requiring to add the 35 to 40 references, so it will save your time. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Let us come back to our point. So just try to find out that. So Aman, I will assign to you. Just create a Mendeley. Download the offline Mendeley, create an account, and share with all the three participants. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So next around 12 to 18 minutes, we will start the
ये तो सारी गायब हो गए.
सर
लगता
कहाँ
है
गए?
फोन आ गया. फोन आ गया, इसकी
फोन
वजह
आया
से
सर,
डिस्कनेक्ट हो गया.
अबे रिकॉर्ड हो रहा
हाँ,
है.
हाँ, हाँ.
sorry, I think I have connection.
Yes, sir. Sir, your voice is not clear. It is breaking.
Now perfectly fine.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. So that's all from my side. If you have any question or query, we can discuss that.
Sir, we were preparing synopsis to submit it to
Okay.
college. So there are around 6 points in the synopsis. We have done 1 to 5, and there was sixth point which Aman will. There was something doubt, so Aman will ask about it.
Yes, Aman, please go ahead.
सर सर इसमें इस पॉइंट में सब समझ नहीं आ रहा सर, 6th पॉइंट में।
Okay. In this section, a compare. Okay,
Complete
okay.
project
So,
plan.
okay, plan of work. Okay. Actually, it will require a graph type system. So let me share you. I'm sharing a one tab. Let me do that. So can you see this image?
Yes, sir.
So this kind of requirement is here. Suppose you have given the timeline here, January, February, March, or you have specified the day. Suppose you have already created a time plan, like 4th of October to 11th of October. So you can write the time plan here. You can write your task here, whatever the task you will complete, and you can set it the area, how much time they will require based on your time plan. So whole space time plan space will be from your July to March or April, whatever the end of teaching day. Okay, Aman?
Okay, sir.
Any more doubt?
No,
Sir,
sir.
what about, sir, I wanted to ask something. Sir, what about the research paper? Means which paper we have to refer and how we will make use of it.
Okay. So if you are working on the just with time schedule, so we will work on the research after this after completing of your synopsis. Because synopsis will be your first phase. So before the synopsis, we will finalize every point, features, topic, deadline, schedule, and whatever the technology you will use. Okay, so see, then after that, I will finalize your research article. So if you try to get idea about the research article, so I will suggest you uh, go to IEEE Explorer. This is one of the digital platform provided by the IEEE for collection of research article. So suppose you are working on time plan. So if we are using the big machine learning as an approach in our application. So just we write the machine learning and search on it. So what happened? Okay, so you can see a lot of research article listed here. Just try to take the articles from latest one. So I am taking 2007 to 21, or you can take 2018, whatever your preference. Okay, so just when I will sort it. So what can you do? You can read the abstract of the article. If it is matching to your requirement, suppose your abstract is like your project is somehow going to be benefited from these paper, then just send me the link. I will download the paper from the official GLBITM ID and will revert to you. Okay. And after the revert of the paper, you can read the paper. So how can we read the paper? Same way, try to read the abstract, and if you'll get an idea, then go through it and try to find out what is happening in the project, in the paper, and so on. Okay, and then make a notes of each and every article. How can you write the article? So there are basically 4 to 5 parts of article. One is a topic, another is an abstract. So we'll write the abstract at the last. Then you will write the introduction. So it is a general brief overview about the area and the other things. Then we will discuss about what are the different existing areas, domain problems inside the your project. Okay, so you will provide all the tables, all the graph you have created in your project that will come here, and the last you will provide the solution. Then you go for the discussion and so on. And let me go at the last one. So it's a quite lengthy paper. We are not going to write such kind of paper. We'll try to write a normal. So we'll go do some discussion here. We'll describe our result with the graph and so on. Then we'll write the conclusion. What is we trying to represent in this paper? Then we'll put the references. The references will be same as we are using in our research. Sorry, project work. Okay, Jesse.
Okay, sir.
Any more question?
No, sir.
Okay, Sivan. So we are ending the meeting
Yes,
now.
sir.
Okay, and please extend this time plan with the team member name. So you guys all discuss about it and try to make a meeting on every Sunday if it's not possible. So we can conduct the meeting on every second Sunday and so on.
Alternate
Okay.
Sundays, sir, will be fine.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. That's okay. That's completely fine. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Sivam. Thank you, Jesse. Thank
Thank
you,
you.
Mani.
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.